Alrighty, we're leaving.
How's the other shoe, Ray?
What?
How's the other shoe?
The other shoe is clean.
Good.
It's something you can walk.
I bet I wouldn't.
Does it smell like dog poop?
We're rubbing it in the sand and scraping it out. I'm not going to smell it, man. It's dirty.
I don't think it's. Haven't seen an animal around here.
No, but you went
What?
over
I
there
saw
with
raccoons.
Raccoons?
Doesn't taste like anything.
Alrighty. Alright. The end of the camping trip.